Ayurvedic massage is an exciting form of massage that's specifically tailored for your body type. Whether you are creative or a task-oriented person, those A-type personalities, or just giving and loving, there's an oil and a massage form that's specific for you. The Abhyanga massage is specifically for relaxation and decompression. It's perfect for those Vata body types. The dosha Vata is characterized as very creative, high energy, fun, loving to be around. However, if they get out of balance, they can have anxiety, they can have nervousness, it's hard to focus. A day just seems off. Besides giving a Vata some food and bringing them back to earth, a good oil is a grounding, wonderful way of bringing them back. With my massage practice, I only use the Banyan oil products. I shouldn't say oil only. I do have other oils, but these are the ones I absolutely love. This one is a daily massage, and it's good for all different kinds of body types. It has a sesame seed and coconut oil base with sunflower seed. If you can't eat it, don't put it on your body. This is an amazing massage oil that's good for all body types. And for the Abhyanga massage, I have the Vata massage oil. This is for my Vata ladies, and this is a fantastic oil that has ashwagandha and passion flower, licorice, lemon verbena, tulsi. It's certified organic, and it's a wonderful, wonderful treat for my Vatas. But even if you don't have a clue what I'm talking about, any massage is good. I also offer sports, Swedish, deep tissue, Thai, Lomi Lomi, as some of my other offerings as well. Have a terrific day. Namaste.